Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing your data and preparing tools. Back up everything and enable developer options and USB debugging so you can use ADB. Install platform tools on a PC, connect the phone, and confirm ADB recognizes the device. Next, find the iOS-like launcher or theme apps and note their package names. You will remove those first. Once done, try uninstalling the launcher via Settings right arrow apps. If uninstall is blocked, keep the device connected for the next step. You proceed to deeper removal with targeted commands and, when necessary, elevated access. Use ADB shell package commands to uninstall packages for the current user. This removes iOS skins without wiping data. If the package is in the system partition, consider unlocking the bootloader or rooting. Do this only if you understand warranty and security implications. Make sure to revoke any device admin privileges for those apps first. Otherwise, uninstalls will fail. Once packaged to finish, clear caches for home/launcher and system UI, then reboot to apply changes and verify stock behavior. If remnants persist, perform a factory reset and then restore your backed up data to avoid reintroducing the iOS theme. Make sure app defaults and home actions point to your chosen launcher. Troubleshooting tip: if the phone fails to boot or is unstable, boot into recovery or fast boot and flash stock firmware, or use ADB sideload. This typically recovers a bricked device and removes stubborn system themes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.